Well, Twerky's now 3 days old, and he comes gardening with me now, and everything else. You all right, Twerky? So he's just been helping me plant these and eat some bugs. Yeah, it's good, isn't it? He found a little hole to sit in. Have a plant here, will he grow a new Twerky? Look up. Any worms? Dig it up. Dig it up. So, oh, there's a worm. Is that too big? So every day he'll come to work with me and he'll do all the bits and bobs and he'll go everywhere with me. So eventually he'll be as friendly as Freddy Turkey or Eddie Turkey. But every day they've got to go with you. They've got to go to work, they've got to go sit and watch telly with you. If you're going out to any sort of social event, try and take them with you. And they're good as gold. I mean, it's just the most amazing pets. I think turkeys are the best bird there is. That's it. Well, that's a big one, isn't it? We're weeding. Where's the weedy pile? There it is. Let's get all the weeds up. You're a good boy. I think you're a boy. Hard to tell. And it just sits by my feet most of the time.